Germany's railway workers are on a two-day strike over a dispute on pay and negotiation rights. Millions of passengers are stranded. The action, which started on Saturday, comes during half-term holidays. The union says a third of long-distance trains are still running, but that's little consolation for travellers.
At the end of the day, we are suffering. I think that the bosses should be the ones suffering. They're striking, and we are the ones who suffer. It's not okay.
National rail operator Deutsche Bahn had made a new pay offer on Friday, but the union rejected it and pressed ahead with the strike.